everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today is a very special mani. If you like what's on my left hand, there will be a link to my Instagram below, and that video is on my Instagram. I went live with Kayla and we did a mani twin with Hocus Pocus. So today I'm going to be using Vividip liquids. I have my Vividip peel base on, and today's mani is special because it is in honor of my nail bestie, Kayla. Omni's Wish asked me if I wanted to do a birthday mani for Kayla. She's also doing a birthday mani video on her YouTube, which I will link the video and her YouTube below. And so I said, of course, I would love to do a birthday mani for my Kayla Marie. And I decided to do an all blue mani. So I picked 5 different blues that kind of go together, and I did kind of like a gradient, but there's some glitter, and I'll let you watch and see. And while you watch, I also wrote up a cute little 30 things that I love about Kayla. Kayla is turning 30 today. Happy birthday, Kayla. And here are 30 things that I love about you. 1. Kayla has a lot of love to give, and she shares her love with her small zoo. She has chickens, a doggy, a kitty cat, rabbits, turtles, a bird. And Kayla, let me know what I missed because I think I probably missed some. 2, her Chewini Charlie is a sweet little girl, and she has the same mannerisms as my Cheepom Dexter. 3, trust means a lot to her, and once you have it, she will give you her all. 4, she can quote Mean Girls at any time. It's a real talent, and it really comes in handy in some of our conversations. 5, we love all the same things except for seafood. I love it, and she hates it. 6, she is way smarter than she gives herself credit for. 7, she doesn't make any purchases that I don't know about, and sometimes I do have to remind her what she bought. 8, we laugh until we cry at least once a day. All the time. 9, she has a huge heart and will do anything for anyone who deserves it. 10, my favorite thing to wake up to is Kayla messaging me videos of swatches that she did late night. And number 11 is bonus. Sometimes those swatch videos have her singing to the song in the background. They're my favorite. 12, she pushes me out of my comfort zone, and I do the same for her. 13, she loves scrunchies, and she is not afraid to admit it. 14, she is appreciative and grateful for all of her followers and me, and she lets us know. 15, she can find a deal on anything on Amazon. I always consult her before purchasing. Even something small like cotton rounds, she's got a deal for it. She's fantastic at finding them. 16, she worries about me if she doesn't hear from me, and vice versa. 17, she is so extra. 18, she isn't scared to talk to anyone or to try to voice her opinion if she thinks it will help or if it's the right thing to do. 19, she talks about her chicken like I talk about my dog. 20, she doesn't judge. 21, she is super intuitive and always anticipates my needs. 22, she has a way with words, and when she speaks to people, she makes them feel comfortable. 23, she doesn't mind that I shamelessly message her 10 times in a row. 24, once we start laughing, we don't stop. 25, she smothers me with love, and I absolutely think it is the best. 26, she makes me proud to know her on a regular basis. 27, she doesn't mind when I send her 700 pictures of my animals, and I don't mind when she sends me 700 pictures of hers. 28, she is my #1 fan and tells me when I get more followers on YouTube. 29, When she gets overwhelmed, she sends voice recordings instead of messages so I can hear the excitement in her voice. 30. She encourages me to be a better person, and I look forward to talking to her every day. She's my happy place. This Manny's for you, Kayla. A little tribute. Happy 30th birthday, baby. You're so old now, and I hope you enjoy. I'll let you guys sit back and watch the rest of the Manny, and then I will be back when it's time for cuticle oil. I know I said I was going to come back for cuticle oil, but I decided to come back for top coat. So I just wanted to recap the colors that I used today for my Kayla birthday tribute. They are Saddle Up on my thumb, Smurfs on my pointer finger, I Carried You on my middle finger, on my ring finger is Molly Kuhl, and then on my pinky is Zia Louis. So I will link all of the companies that I used below, and then I also want to thank Omneya's Wish because I love that she asked me and wanted to include me in this special birthday mani for Kayla. So again, her video will be linked below. I will also link Kayla below so you can see her channel. And I really loved doing this for my friend Kayla. She had no idea. So hopefully this is a nice, pleasant surprise for her. And yeah, I wanted to thank you for watching. And the cuticle oil I'm going to be finishing with today is Pumpkin Pecan Waffle from Candi Skincare. Kayla loves this scent, so I thought it was only fitting to use it on the mani that I did for her. So happy birthday, Kayla. I love you. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, everybody.